about improving transparency, about improving the finances. Could you give me some specifics on what you plan to do, how you plan to address a more than $200,000 shortfall in your budget? I mean, in your campaign fund right now for the committee.
For the committee?
Yes.
Well, for one, we did meet as a finance committee, and we kind of laid out some of the things that we're already changing. For one, we're putting an annual budget together. We will be posting our financials on a quarterly basis. We will also be supporting that with a financial summary. I plan to have the district leaders play an active role in helping with the fundraising to get.
Was that not happening before? The district.
It wasn't happening as much as before. This time, we're going to try to get everybody more involved. Yes.
Are you going to do something about? What do you plan? There's been a lot of controversy around the proxy voting system that's been in place. Do you plan on doing anything about that, or do you want to?
Well, we have made some changes under Frank Sidio's leadership. Before, the proxies had his name, and we changed it where it would be his name or a blank, so it'll give anybody the option to put someone else's name to hold their proxy. We're very open to looking at other ways, to make it more inclusive, transparent, but that will take a subcommittee of a few of the district leaders to talk about the process.
So do you have a personal position on whether the proxy votes should be eliminated or not? Whether it should just be delegates vote?
Well, we should continue to have proxies no matter what.
Okay.
Right. So I do believe that we should. It's just a matter of how we're going to continue to roll out the proxy votes. Is the question.
One of you wanted to. Earlier today, Eric Adams gave a message to transplanting New Yorkers. He said that they should go back to Iowa. They should go back to Ohio. New Yorkers belong in New Yorkers belong in New York belongs to New Yorkers. I was wondering if you agreed with those remarks.
I cannot comment on that. I didn't see, and I don't know what context that he said it. So I have to look at the tweet. I was in Mexico. I just came back from Mexico.
Okay. Do you plan on vetting judges differently? And congratulations, Assemblyman.
Well, if there's room for improvement, I think we have a screening committee process that's in place. And right now, the district leaders typically do their vetting, meet with the judges, and make their decision after they've been qualified.
So basically be the same?
Be the same. If there's obviously recommendations for some changes, we're very open to it.
And so far as borough president, you have any feeling now who you're looking at?
No, I don't.
Sorry, next question, just for lack of time. Does anyone else have a question?
Are we finished up? So what is your thought on being the first, not only woman, but a Haitian woman, a black woman, and all these firsts in front of your name in this position?
Again, it's a humbling experience to be the first. Certainly, we hope that it's a model to let people know that the Democratic Kings County Committee is a very diverse and open process, and that it's a reflection of all of Brooklyn. Brooklyn is the most diverse. And we have black, white, Jewish, Haitian, Muslim, whatever.
Thank you, and
so,
congratulations once
Do
again.
you plan to meet regularly with the press? You have an open policy with the press?
Was there a close policy with the press?
Once again, this is Teleeducation
You guys are
bringing
here.
you this live interview, this exclusive interview of the first Haitian woman elected as a Democratic leader of Brooklyn.
A couple minutes ago.